Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make these detachable shoe clips. These are materials and measurements which I'll be using to create my shoe clips. I made this shoe clip earlier, which looks like that. That's the back and that's the front. Now I'll show you how to make other shoe clip. I'm using this tulle fabric which is 70 centimeters by 10 centimeters, and now I'll gut the middle of this tulle fabric. Next, I'm wrapping around cotton in the middle of the bow and I'm creating approximately 1 centimeter gap in the bow. Next, I will sew on this silver heart-shaped button in the middle of the bow. Next, I will sew this metal shoe clip on top of the felt fabric. So my shoe clip is detachable and it looks like that. And now I'll sew that shoe clip on top of the felt fabric in the middle there. Next, I will use hot glue gun with black glue. I'm applying that glue on top of the felt fabric. And I'm gluing this felt fabric with the shoe clip on the center of the bow at the back there, pressing that shoe clip quite hard on the bow so it sticks well. And my shoe clips are finished now. They are super easy to make, and if you have any questions how to make these shoe clips, please comment down below in the comment box. Also, they are easy to attach to your shoe. So basically place that bow in the middle of the shoe and clip that bow to the shoe. Super easy and looks really pretty. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.